Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best VR headsets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Meta Quest 2. Over 2 years since its release, the Meta Quest 2, previously known as the Oculus Quest 2, remains the best VR headset for the vast majority of consumers. It's completely cordless, and it's comfortable to wear for long sessions. Unfortunately, due to supply chain pressures and a worsening economic climate, Meta ended up increasing the Quest 2's price by $100 this year, making it a $400 headset. It's still a great device, but it's also in the strange position of being a worse deal than it was last year. Here's what's still good, though. There's a huge library of virtual reality titles that you can experience anywhere, and it's bundled with Meta's great motion sense controllers. You can also connect the Quest 2 to a gaming PC to stream more complex VR experiences. Number 2. HTC Vive Pro 2. HTC's Vive Pro 2 has an astoundingly sharp 5K screen and a solid 120Hz refresh rate, plus it's comfortable to boot. It's one of the best premium VR headsets out there, but you have to be willing to pay a steep price for it. HTC's Vive Pro 2 is the best-looking PC VR I've seen. It has an astoundingly sharp 5K screen and a solid 120Hz refresh rate. Just be prepared. The full kit, which includes the headset, 2 Steamber sensors, and wand controllers, costs $1,399. You can also buy the standalone headset for $799 as an upgrade to the original Vive Pro or the Valve Index. For the price, you get a well-balanced and supremely comfortable VR headset. The Pro 2 is a clear sign that Valve has practically perfected the art of making high-end hardware. Number 3. PlayStation VR 2. If you're a PS5 owner who's been dying to see what PC VR enthusiasts have been enjoying for the past few years, the PSVR 2 is exactly what you've been waiting for. In many ways, the PSVR 2 is the best headset we've tested yet. It offers dual 2K OLED HDR screens, effectively giving you 4K quality and an immersive VR experience. It's one of the most comfortable headsets around. It has some genuinely refreshing new features, like eye tracking and headset haptics. Yes, it can rock your noggin. Best of all, the PSVR 2 delivers high-quality virtual reality without the need for a $1,000 plus gaming PC. All you need is a PlayStation 5. Now our recommendation comes with a few caveats. At $550, the PSVR 2 is more expensive than the PS5 itself. Number 4. HP Reverb G2. If you don't care about wireless VR, and you want to invest a bit more in a high-quality PC virtual reality headset, HP's $599 Reverb G2 is meant for you. It was developed in cooperation with Valve and has some of the best features from the pricier Index headset, like near-field speakers. The Reverb G2 also has sharp screens, offering 2160 by 2160 pixels per eye, a 90Hz refresh rate, and a relatively wide 114-degree field of view. It's also the first Windows mixed reality headset to include 4 sensors, which helps to ensure more accurate VR tracking functionality, especially during fast-paced games. Number 5. Valve Index VR Kit. Valve's Index Kit remains one of the best high-end VR solutions on the market for PC gaming. For $999 you get the Index headset, Valve's finger tracking controllers, and 2 Steamver base stations. While we've seen higher-resolution headsets arrive in the last 2 years, it's still a very solid option, with a 1440 by 1600 pixel resolution, an eye-watering 144 Hz refresh rate, and a massive 130-degree field of view. I'd gladly lose a few pixels to get a smoother and more expansive screen, which is still far beyond any other consumer headset. As a Steamver product, The index requires installing 2 sensors at opposite corners of your room. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.